Hey, it's Joe, and welcome back to Humanfluence. Let's explore one of the most mystical and empowering teachings of Jesus, the idea of making the male and female one. In the Gospel of Thomas, he said, "When you make the two one, you will enter the kingdom." This teaching is nothing less than a call to spiritual alchemy, a revelation of how we transcend duality and awaken our true nature. The male and female within us are the divine polarities, the active and the receptive, the logical and the intuitive, the cosmic masculine and feminine energies that drive creation itself. Often mirrored in the principles of sacred geometry, yin and yang, and the natural order of the cosmos. To make the two one is to achieve inner harmony, to merge the fire of action with the water of intuition, the light of reason with the depth of emotion. This is the sacred union within the soul, a mystical marriage that allows us to ascend beyond separation and experience wholeness. Let's delve into this mystical union. Picture the masculine as the energy of the sun, radiant, directive, outward focused, the force that creates structure and form. Feminine, in contrast, is the energy of the moon, fluid, reflective, inward focused, the force that nurtures and gives life. These energies are not limited to gender, they are archetypes, embedded in the fabric of creation and present in all of us. When these forces remain unbalanced, we find ourselves fragmented. Too much outward striving leads to burnout, while too much inward reflection can result in stagnation. But when these two energies unite, something extraordinary happens. The masculine provides direction, a sacred container, while the feminine flows within it, imbuing life with creativity, intuition, and compassion. Together they create a dynamic harmony that mirrors the divine interplay of the cosmos. The mystical union transforms the way we experience ourselves and the world. We no longer see life in terms of opposites, but as a cohesive whole. Our thoughts align with our emotions, our actions with our higher purpose. This integration creates a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, allowing us to embody divine consciousness here on Earth. When these forces unite, the veils of illusion fall away, and we realize that the divine has always been within us. It's not just about accessing the kingdom, it's about becoming the kingdom, embodying it in everything we do, everything we are. And as Jesus reminds us elsewhere in the Gospel of Thomas, the kingdom of God is spread upon the earth, and people do not see it. The kingdom is not hidden, it's here, waiting to be realized. When you make the two one, your eyes are opened, and you step into the fullness of divine creation, a state of transcendence recognized across mystical traditions as enlightenment or gnosis. The choice is yours, the power is already within you. Humanfluence out.